Okay, well I got it plugged in. Put my whirlybirds up. Got ducks over there. Let's go check it out. I smoothed off all the piles of dirt. I still gotta do some tapering with the dirt. The pool's 3 feet deep. The whirlybirds and the ducks. Got the ducks. A lot of ducks. Pretty good. And on the edge of the marsh, I smoothed the dirt off over here, brought dirt over here. Gotta fill in with little rocks. There's the water box, waterfall. I'm not gonna bury the hose. You just need to drain it in the wintertime. If it's gonna run in the wintertime, not sure. Doing pretty good, huh? That's a little motorcycle guy. Roo. Might get some of the 10-cent goldfish and throw them in there. See how they do. They'll eat the mosquito larvae. Yeah, Petco, PetSmart. Yeah, get crocodile. I gotta get a new one of them. That one's all faded out, foot broken. But it's coming out pretty cool. Leave a comment, huh? Welcome to the Edge of 8. We're simply amazing. Off the edge of life. It's comforting to hear the water.